I just got chatting with the customer there on that about that window before Ash recommended me. She had 2 quotes for the window, and they both said that the mechanism needed completely changing. That it was going to cost, well, one of them was £210 plus the VAT, and she said the other one was about the same sort of price. But yeah, it was just the handle. I mean, I could see that when I first went there to quote for it. What I'm going to do is a little freebie. The cylinder pull there is a bit rusty. This is the old one, obviously. It's a bit rusty as well, so I just had a good rummage through my van, and I found a new one, so we'll get that fitted as well. Oh, it was new. Damn it. Hey guys, just been to an emergency job where a customer's been broken into. I didn't film it because the police are still kind of dealing with it, but I will put the picture up of the damage that the guy's done getting in. Guys, just been to an emergency 5 minutes from my house. A customer got broken into last night. I'll put the picture up there. I'll put the picture up there of the damage that they caused. Just snap the handle and then just snap the cylinder out. Thankfully, they didn't get away with too much, but yeah, arseholes, absolute arseholes out there, honestly. Get a proper job. Dirty little bastards. Anyway, so I've been there. I didn't video it or anything. The police are still involved, so I haven't videoed anything. But I'll fit the new set of handles and a anti-snap cylinder for them, and yeah, just feel so bad for people like that, you know. But there you go. Unfortunately, it's a way of life, isn't it? Good morning, guys. Monday morning. Hope you've all had a fantastic weekend. So today we are finally going to fit the cylinder. You might have seen the job where there was a failed cylinder on a communal door, and they asked me to get a new cylinder with 20 keys. So I went down there, posted all the new keys. Was this my last video or the video before? I can't remember. Went there, posted all the keys, so everyone had a key, and then arranged to go there the next day. But then the managing agent asked me to leave it a bit longer. So I'm going there now, just to go and fit the cylinder. Then I did a quote last week for an old friend of mine, Ash, of Offset Plumbing. So I'm going to go and do the work there. So we're fitting a new UPVC window handle, a new trickle vent for the window, and then we're changing the handing of the bathroom door. At the moment it opens in, and they want it to open out to give them a bit more room in the bathroom. And then we're doing I've got a key extraction to do in Hove. So plenty of variety and plenty of fun. So yeah, right, let's get this cylinder fitted finally. Right, so here we go, guys. So we're going to change that. Put the night latch back on over this, which is down here, and then the apex cylinder. Should have 2 yet. Those have got screws. Let's get it started. Right, there we go, guys. That's the new apex cylinder fitted. Night latch is all back on, all working lovely. Done. Right, this is the handle that we're swapping out. You see that the mechanism's still working, but the handle's not fully opening, and we're changing that. Trickle vent and the door. Right, there we go, guys. That's the new trickle vent fitted up there, and the new handle on there. That's all working lovely now. Beautiful. I've actually had a quote from a couple of local companies that said that the mechanism needed changing. like I said, I knew it wasn't the mechanism, it's the handle, and they quoted her 200, both about the same, £210 plus the VAT. And we've changed the handle of this door, so it's now opening out. It was opening into the bathroom before. And yeah, it's all done. We'll see. Up to move. Oh, I can't show you. It's showing because of the dust sheet now. Yeah, move the door stop and everything. And latch on the other side. The decorator's doing all the making good. I just got chatting with the customer there on that about that window, and she was saying that she had 2 quotes before Ash recommended me. She had 2 quotes for the window, and they both said that the mechanism needed completely changing, and that it was going to cost, well, one of them was £210 plus the VAT, and she said the other one was about the same sort of price. But yeah, it was just the handle. I mean, I could see that when I first went there to quote for it, that it was just the handle, not the mechanism. But good to know, though. Good to know. In fact, I'm charging her less than that for doing the whole job for what I've done. So there you go. Right, got a broken key extraction. So just gonna give this a quick go. There we go. Morning, guys. How are we all doing? It is Tuesday morning. I've been training today and it nearly killed me. I haven't been for 2 weeks. Honestly, nearly killed me. Right, I'm on my way down to a job in Shoreham. The guy said he's got a problem with the lock on his door. It sounds, I think it's, I spoke to him yesterday and now I can't remember. I think it's a Euro cylinder. That's what it sounded like anyway from his description. So yeah, let's go down there and take a look at what's going on. Right, what we're doing here, guys, we're just changing this cylinder here and also the one over there. Guy was saying that they're having problems with both doors, with both cylinders. The keys are catching. But also they've never had the keys, they've never had them changed when they moved in, so they'd quite like them changed anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to change them out. Right, there we go, so that's that cylinder done. Oiled up as well, some GT85, and that's that one. Lovely. Right, I've just been to look at a job for a property management company, and they wanted a keep changed on a door, just because I think it's just a little bit loose and it's quite ugly. And it's not the correct keep that goes with the lock. But as I was there, the guy that made the property management company aware of the problem come out, and he said just a quote to put a whole new night latch in. To be fair, he's got a bog standard traditional Yale night latch, and it's just, yeah, I said to him, it's pretty rubbish, to be fair. So we're going to cost to supply and fit a new British standard era night latch on there, and there'll be a bit of making good on the frame because the keep on there was huge. So yeah, there'll be a bit of making good to do as well. But now I'm on my way to go and fit a deadlock for a customer in Brighton, so I'll see you there. Right, what we're doing, guys, it's not a deadlock like I thought. They just want the night latch replaced. Actually, they just moved into this flat, so they want the night latch changed, obviously for new keys, but also this is playing up apparently. He had to literally force the handle the other day, so get that sorted. What I'm going to do is a little freebie. The cylinder pull there is a bit rusty. This is the old one, obviously. It's a bit rusty as well, so I just had a good rummage through my van, and I found a new one, so we'll get that fitted as well. Oh, it was new. Damn it. Right, there we go guys, so that's the lock fitted on there, working nice and lovely, and double locking. So all that leaves us to do is whip that off and replace that. Go, it's the keep on, screws all nicely facing the same way, you know me. Right, so lovely jubbly, it's working nice. And let's try it from the outside. The new ring pull on there. Lovely. Right, it's another job done. Right, that's it guys. I think it's going to be a short video today. I'm just on my way to go and scoop Sarah up. She's gone for a walk down the seafront, but it looks like it's about to rain, so I'm going to go and scoop her up and take her home, have some lunch. Right, thanks as always guys for watching. As you know, if you're a regular watcher or subscriber on the channel, I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers before the 1st of May, and then we can do a giveaway as well. So yeah, if you don't subscribe to the channel, please subscribe. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I know it was a short one today, I do apologise, but give it a thumbs up, and any nice comments down there. As always, thanks guys, love you all.